Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about two electric vehicle stock, more specifically two Chinese electric vehicle stock. One is ticker symbol NIO, and the other one is ticker symbol LI. So I previously made two videos. One was on Li on February 9th and also on NIO on February 6th. And both of these videos I talked about the chart pattern, and I said like they will break out the pattern and they will go up, and you can check those videos if you want to get more information about these two company. But this video is mostly not going through the fundamentals and everything, just want to show you the chart and just want to show you that currently we are sitting at a buy zone and their earnings are coming. So if you are not yet into the play, you can just try some call option or you can try some share and can get some quick benefit. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At first I want to show you the lead chart. So this is a daily candle chart. You can see that the black line. So the first time I made the video, the very next day we had a huge green candle, and then after that we tried to consolidate, and then last week it was like all red, it came down. But the good thing is you can see the support line, the blue one around 29.5. it has a very strong support here. You can see it bounced off here previously, here, then here a few times, and again few times here and here. And even on Thursday, the red day, like the body was touching this line, and Friday we bounced off this particular line. So 29.5, that's a very good support for this particular stock. And you see the earning is on 25th of February, right? So the earning is next week, and just before the earning there could be an earning hype. You can see the price, or maybe if you see a good earning it can go up. But I just want to point out that this is a buy zone for this particular stock if you haven't established any position yet. Let's look at 5-minute chart and how we are doing. So as I said, like after my video, like we went up, then we came down, and you see like how many times even on Friday how this line of support 29.5 is acting. So currently we are sitting here on a 5-minute candle. You see 1, 2, how many times anyway. So before the earning, and if the overall market is green, then this thing I think it will go and hit $32, or maybe it can go up to $35. But again, just a caution that watch the overall market. Sometimes your stock is good, your trend is good, setup is good, but if the overall market is red, then it doesn't matter, like all stock will come down. We have seen this last week. So if the market is doing good, then you can see some bull run. So watch the market, do not just jump and buy the stock. But 29.5, I see this is a very good support, and there is another one 26.3, but I think it will not come here because so far 29.5 is holding that stock very well. And I see that 32, then we have 35, we have 36. I don't want to go too far, but there is another one at 47. Somehow if the earning is very good. Anyway, look at the lines and keep that in mind. Also, if you want to play some option, 25th February is the earning. If you want to play really close, 26th of February expiry date, you can see that the premium for $30 strike is 147. So your break even is 31.47. If you think before earning or during the day of earning it can go up to 31.5, you will be in profit. And I think if the market is good, then it will go to 32 at least, because we have seen 32 before the Thursday drop down. Otherwise I think this is a good one, 29.5 or even 30, just 147 premium. But again, if it comes down, then you lose the money. Anyway, it's up to us. If you want, you can go with longer expiry date. The longer you go, your premium will be higher. Let's look at 19th of March. 30 strike is 267, but the good thing is you get some extra time. Like if the earning is bad, if the stock comes down, then maybe there will be some deep buyer, then you will have some more time. Again, it's not that expensive, $267 for 30 strike. March 19th, you have 27 days to expire. Okay, now let's move to the next stock, which is NIO. So the previous video I made, I showed showed you the channel. The black lines you see, that's the channel, and the blue line was the point I was saying that once we break this one we will go higher, and it happened. From 57 we went up to $62, but during the last week sell-off, you see we came down and we bounced off that particular line, like the black line, right? So Thursday we bounced off, and Friday we are staying above that particular line. So again, I see this is a good buying zone opportunity. Somehow if it comes back and touches that particular line, it will go up for sure. Even if not, I think that's a good area, and it has the potential to go back to $62, $63 again. The earning for NIO is on 9th of March. There is some time. The stock can go up. If we are long term, the stock has a price target of $70, $80, $90, but before the earning, I think the stock will at least go to $65, and currently we are $55. You can play with share, you can play with call options, again entirely up to you. Now let's look at the 5-minute chart and see how we did last week. Very interesting, right? We were around 59, sudden drop, 57, then again sudden drop. Now we are trying to go up, right? And you see the long wick here, that's my support. So whenever it came, it bounced off. You can also see, like, whenever it touched that particular black line, it bounced off. One thing you can do, you can set some limit buy order around $52, $53. If it comes to like $53, then you can get some share. If it doesn't, then it still, I think it will go up at least to $60. So again, like, there is an opportunity for making some money. For support and resistance, I'm not gonna draw it here. In my previous video I talked about the support and resistance, or if you want, let's draw some of them. So like $56, easy, right? You see, like, this line is touched by so many times. Then the $57, $58 mark, touched by so many times. Like, when you look at the chart, it tells you the support and resistance. It's a very nice chart. Then we have $60. So $56, $58, $60, these are the resistance for this particular stock, and definitely recently we went a high of $65. So anyway, you see the point, like from 55 we can go to 60, 65 before the earning. If the earning is amazing, then who knows, we can go even higher. But the whole purpose is to introduce these two company again. I made a video before, then we had a sell-off last week. If you are not still in this particular stock, then still there is a chance you can get into. NIO is something I always think, oh, I'm late, but you are never late. Like, each stock will give you a buying opportunity. It will come back and then it will go up again. If you look at the option chart for 19th of March, for a $60 strike, the premium is 4.25, delta is only 43, not that much. If you want to go a little bit inside, your delta is high, at the same time the premium is high, the volatility is 102%. So for call option, I don't know which one I'll pick. Let's see, when is the earning? I think the earning is March. The earning is on 9th of March. So in that case, maybe you can try the 12th of March, but still you see the premiums are high. So it means that before earning, if it goes to 60, you will make some profit, or any kind of movement. Let's say next week you buy this particular premium $520, the stock goes by $2, your premium will be like $650, you get some profit, you sell it. So entirely up to you. If you love to play with option, you can play with option. If you love to play with share, you can play with share. Currently I'm not in Lee and NIO. I was playing with Lee, then I got out, lost some profit. But looking at the chart, it seems like we are sitting at a buy zone, and why not gain some quick profit, especially when I look at Lee and I look at the premium is only 267 for 19th of March expiry, and your volatility is below 100. And if I just look at 26th of February, the volatility is 100, but the premium is 147. So I see, like, I invest less for Lee and I can get some quick money. If it goes from 30 to 35, I can get some money. NIO, same thing, but NIO is more expensive, just because, like, if your volatility is higher, you will pay more. Anyway, the main purpose of this particular video is not to talk the fundamentals for this particular company, just to show you the price movement. If you think it's late, I would say not late, still there's a buy zone, and earnings are coming. We have an opportunity for making some quick money. At the same time, please watch the overall market. If it is green, then these stocks will go up. If the market is red, you can do some deep buying, look at the support, and you can set some limit buy order. Anyway, my friends, if you like this information, the things I talked about, please hit the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this particular video. Take care. Peace.